Mulch is any material that you'd use to protect your plants, slow weed growth, and improve your soil. We're talking today about natural materials that will break down, such as leaves, grass, and wood chips. You want to add mulch to your garden and planting areas because it's going to give you 5 great savings. The first savings you're going to get from mulch is on water. Soil will retain moisture when mulch is on top because it keeps the wind and sun from drying the surface. This will save you money. The second savings you're going to get from mulch is you're going to save on effort. Weed seeds won't get the light they need to germinate, so you have less work to do. Weeds that do grow are easier to pull from the softer soil. The third benefit you're going to get from mulch is saving your plants from the heat. By forming a physical barrier between the soil and the sun, mulch helps keep your soil from overheating. This protects your plant's roots and helps reduce watering needs. The fourth benefit you're going to get from mulch, you're going to save money on fertilizer. Organic material used as mulch breaks down over time, adding nutrients to your soil. This improves soil structure and fertility. You get healthier soil, which results in healthier plants. And the fifth benefit you're going to get from mulch, you're going to help reduce erosion. Water won't flow as quickly or readily over mulched areas, so your soil will be protected from washing away. And then overall, what you're going to get with all these benefits from the mulch, it's going to be more aesthetic. Your yard's going to look better. Many people prefer the orderly look of a garden with mulch instead of naked soil. We have lots more to share with you about mulch. Like and follow so you can see our whole series.